Hello, today we are on number 16 of the South Golf Course talking about 24-2, how to take relief from an immovable obstruction.
Heidi, I'm going to take relief from the cart path.
Okay. Oh, Josh, wait, you can't just kick it off the path. So obviously this is probably the way you see people do this most of the time when they're on the cart path, but there is really a way and a procedure you need to go through. The first thing you must do is you must find your nearest point of relief. So Josh is going to take the club that he thinks he's going to use and take a step off the path, and then he's going to put a tee right here. Now, in a lot of the cases, you'll want to do this on both sides of the path. Here it's very obvious that this is closer to the side of the path, but if the ball was on the other side, closer over here, he would want to do the same thing. He'd want to take his stance over here and put a tee down, and literally whichever tee is closest to the ball is where he must take relief.
So this is going to be my nearest point of relief right here.
And from there he can take a full club length and put another tee.
This is a proper way to drop your golf ball.
And now even though that ball, if that would have kicked and rolled a little bit down the hill, as long as it doesn't roll more than 2 club lengths from where it first landed the ground, it's a proper drop. Now Josh is going to show you a couple ways now not to drop the ball. So what we wanted to be very clear about it is the wording that you must find your nearest point of relief. A lot of people don't understand this, so we want to show it again how to do that. I'm a right-handed player and I'm going this direction. I'm going to set up to where the path does not interfere and put down a tee, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of the path. Now literally whichever tee is closest to my ball is going to be my nearest point of relief. In this circumstance, it's over on the left side of the path. But if I was a left-handed golfer, it would be just the opposite. Because if I was left-handed, I would line up this direction, and that would be nearest point of relief. And I'd come over here, and I'd do this, and that would be my nearest point. So as a left-hander, the opposite side is my nearest point of relief. So again, and you must be specifically find your nearest point of relief. You have to set up as if you're going to hit your next shot and find out where that is.
The proper way to drop your golf ball: arm length away from your body at shoulder height with no spin on the golf ball.
Alright, so in this circumstance, Josh has dropped his ball, but you can see that his foot is still on the cart path, and with an immovable obstruction you must take complete relief. So that means this ball is not in play yet, and he needs to re-drop this ball to make sure he takes complete relief and his feet and his stance are completely away from the path. Another thing that we like to note is if this was my nearest point of relief and there was a big tree or a big bush right here, that is still my nearest point of relief. I'm not getting relief from the tree or the bush, I'm getting relief from the cart path. Thank you, and we hope this helps you play faster and understand the rules a little better.